Taco Bell just launched a vegan Crunchwrap. Taco Bell fans, take note. While Taco Bell has always been a staple for vegan food, it has just taken things to a new level. There's now a vegan Crunchwrap on the menu, and it's certified by the American Vegetarian Association. The Crunchwrap comes with seasoned vegan beef, a cool vegan blanco sauce, dairy-free nacho sauce, and all of the classics, lettuce, tomato, and that crunchy tostada shell. Such a large part of our fandom is vegan or vegetarian, says Liz Matthews, Taco Bell's Global Chief Food Innovation Officer, and we're as committed to them as they are to us and our menu. Taco Bell says the new Crunchwrap was years in the making. We wanted and needed to get it exactly right. The new vegan Crunchwrap is now at restaurants in Los Angeles, New York, and Orlando, and it could be coming to a Taco Bell near you soon.